Bitwise just said this about Bitcoin. Let's take a look at what they actually just said. Let's take a look at today's daily Bitcoin update. Now, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Crypto RJ with your daily Bitcoin update. If you guys enjoy these videos, I want you guys to comment down below and let me know if I should keep making them or if I should start switching up the content on this channel. Now, guys, I've been making these videos consistently for, I want to say, a couple months now, and for me, they're actually really enjoyable. I actually genuinely like making these videos because I also learn more about Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is my biggest holding, so it's kind of like my daily research, but also I get to make a video about it. But if you guys want to see something else, let me know in the comments down below. Now, with that being said, guys, let's take a look at Bitcoin. It is Hey, it's down, right? It's down 2% at $112,000. It's not looking too good. I would even say, oh shit, we just hit 111 even. Yeah, it's not looking good at all. It's looking pretty bad, actually. Now, one thing I will say, guys, is we talked about a couple things in the TLDR, right? Yesterday, we talked about Brazil. We talked about the Lightning Network. We talked about that multiple times. And we talked about outflows from major Bitcoin ETFs, right? A couple people are selling, right? I believe it was Vanguard or BlackRock, someone was selling a pretty decent chunk of Bitcoin recently. So yeah, I mean, we're seeing the effects of that. Plus, I mean, I guess when you have Bitcoin just trend down 5% the past week, you're going to see more sellouts, right? Even the past month, I mean, hey, we went from an all-time high of 124 all the way down to 112. So yeah, I get it, it sucks, but let's talk about it. Bitwise CIO Matt Hugin says Bitcoin will grow 30% per year for the next decade. If true, Bitcoin will reach more than $1.4 million by 2035. Now, obviously, someone like this, if you have Bitcoin in your a balance sheet, if you're a Bitcoin ETF, if you have anything to do with crypto, if your business revolves around crypto, your job is to say that Bitcoin is going to go to the moon, right? Now, for me, as someone who's a crypto YouTuber, I'm not gonna. It doesn't matter to me if I lie to you or not, because I mean, if you buy Bitcoin, it doesn't put money in my pockets, so it doesn't really matter. But 30% over the next year, that kind of sounds manageable, right? That's not the most craziest thing I've ever seen. Now, I've been saying, I think Bitcoin can hit $1 million within the next, I don't know, maybe like 5 to 10 years. If we can see 1.4 million by 2035, I'd be a pretty happy camper, right? That'd be pretty cool. And to think that, wow, that's only in 10 years, kind of scary. Now, Bitcoin could see a $200 billion injection from the Great Wealth Transfer, says Xapo Bank, however you pronounce that, Xapo Bank. That's an extra 20 mil to 28 million of daily demand as trillions move from boomers to crypto-friendly heirs. Now, guys, obviously, with a lot of these baby boomers, I mean, it's sad to say, but a lot of them are, going to start dying off pretty soon, right? And when that happens, properties are going to get passed down, money's going to get passed down, stocks, assets, all sorts of things are going to get passed down to their kids and younger people, right? Which are people that are more, I guess, accepted or more, I guess, acceptable of investing in cryptocurrency, right? Boomers, they look at Bitcoin and they don't look like it, right? They don't understand it. In fact, that's just the general consensus. But people that are a lot younger, I mean, people around my age, I'm 24. I mean, we all, I guess, kind of understand Bitcoin, but it's scary because a lot of people still don't, right? People think cryptocurrency is like some random thing. They don't get it. So when we really see mass adoption, we're gonna see a lot of money get injected. Okay, now MicroStrategy now meets all criteria for S&P 500 inclusion. If added, it could trigger $10 billion plus of passive inflows. Again, very, very bullish. Now, also want to share with you guys this: Bitcoin Hyper has now raised over $11 million. Very, very bullish for Bitcoin Hyper. I will leave a link down below for those that do want to go ahead and buy some more. I know a lot of people watching these videos have been buying. If you guys want to top up, buy some more, link is down below. You just gotta click buy with crypto, connect your wallet, boom, bada bing. Very, very easy. Now, I want to show this as well. Public companies now hold almost a million Bitcoin worth $111 billion. That's 4.6% of the supply gone, held by these Bitcoin treasuries. Now, sure, they may sell, they may trade, whoever knows, but still pretty crazy to think about that there's that much Bitcoin held by companies. Now, this is pretty cool. So this is Bitcoin seasonality, the average monthly performance. So on average, August is always a stagnant month, and on average, September is always a red month. So we might see a bloody September. October has generally been only up October for however long I've been in crypto, whether that's Bitcoin or altcoins as well. And November is even better than that. So hopefully we might see a bit of a bloody September, and then maybe we could have some nice gains in October and November for the winter time. But guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.